Every day, millions of people awaken to the droning buzz of alarm clocks, their fingers fumbling to silence the persistent noise. They rise from their beds, shuffle through crowded city streets teeming with commuters, and wear tired expressions that mirror the shared experience of a daily grind. The air is thick with urgency as the hustle of life propels them forward, yet an unspoken weariness lingers amongst the crowd, a collective understanding that something is missing. These individuals follow the conventional script: work harder, remain loyal, and ascend the corporate ladder. They toil long hours, hoping for the elusive promotion and the promise of financial security. Yet, as clock hands tick away their precious time, a troubling truth emerges. For many, these efforts lead not to freedom, but to a perpetual cycle of debt and dissatisfaction. The invisible trap closed around them, tightening with each passing year. They toil, hoping for change while trapped in a relentless routine. But there is a different path, just beyond the horizon. A route that allows you to sidestep traditional traps and seize control of your wealth, your life, and your future. In this exploration, together we will unravel the lessons and strategies that empower you to break free from the constraints of conventional wisdom. It's time to discover how you can lay the foundation for true financial independence and reclaim the life you deserve, far removed from the weary faces of the crowd that narrowly defines success. In today's fast-paced world, many individuals equate long hours and relentless effort with success. Picture a bustling office filled with the sound of typing fingers and the hum of exhaustion. Workers often clock in overtime, their tired faces reflecting a dedication to their tasks. Yet this narrative of hard work equating to wealth is a misleading illusion that deserves scrutiny. The reality is that mere hard work, devoid of a purposeful strategy, leads only to physical and mental fatigue. Envision countless factory workers diligently laboring under harsh conditions, contributing hours of toil, yet feeling as if they're running in place. They put in their all, yet for many the rewards do not multiply in tandem with their effort. In this relentless cycle, time slips away, and dreams of prosperity remain unfulfilled. The most affluent individuals on the planet adopt a different approach. They do not measure success by the hours logged, but by the effectiveness of their actions. Imagine a landscape where resources are harnessed efficiently. Systems are implemented to streamline work processes, and teams are built not for busy work, but to maximize productivity. These successful people leverage their time, utilize other people's skills, and even employ financial tools to propel them forward, creating an exponential impact that goes well beyond simple work. Consider the hustle culture that perpetuates the myth that working 16 hours a day correlates with higher earnings. Visualize someone pouring hours into a monotonous, low-leverage job, striving endlessly but only ever achieving a linear income. The path isn't about overriding the system with sheer stamina. It's about strategizing and positioning oneself where value is enhanced and potential is maximized. The goal isn't just to work harder, it's to transform one's approach to work by embracing innovation and creativity. To truly thrive, one must shift their mindset from working hard to working smart. This adjustment not only amplifies potential earnings, but also fosters a healthier work-life balance. As we reevaluate our relationship with work, envision a new paradigm where efficiency, strategic decision-making, and personal well-being become the cornerstones of success. By redefining our understanding of hard work, we can liberate ourselves from exhaustion and step into a future where our efforts yield the freedom and wealth we aspire to achieve. In a world where earning a paycheck is often emphasized, we find ourselves ill-equipped to manage the fruits of our labor. The education system offers a path to employment, yet it seldom reveals the strategies needed to thrive financially. This gap in knowledge is substantial. It is financial education that serves as the greatest unlock to true wealth creation. Without it, too many individuals are left spinning their wheels, despite their relentless hard work. The wealthy possess an understanding of money that extends far beyond merely earning it. They intuitively grasp how assets work, seeing them not merely as possessions, but as vehicles for wealth accumulation. In contrast, many are left with a rudimentary knowledge of money that confines them to a cycle of earning and spending. It is understanding one's assets, knowing which ones appreciate, which generate passive income, and how to leverage them, that sets the rich apart. Debt, often perceived as a four-letter word, can be reframed as a powerful tool in the hands of the educated. The rich employ debt strategically, using it to create leverage, invest in growth, and build their empire. Conversely, without financial education, debt can become a ball and chain, keeping individuals trapped in a cycle of payments with little hope of true financial freedom. Understanding how to navigate debt allows one to exploit its benefits while avoiding its pitfalls. Similarly, wealthy individuals know how to minimize taxes legally, turning obligations into opportunities. This knowledge enables them to keep more of their hard-earned money, reinvesting it into endeavors that further amplify their wealth. Learning about tax strategies and investment vehicles can make a significant impact on a person's financial trajectory, transforming where they stand today into where they could be tomorrow. To embark on a journey towards financial empowerment, one must begin by reading the books that those who have walked this path recommend. Diverse topics such as investing, entrepreneurship, and personal finance are essential to building a robust financial literacy. Courses and seminars offer invaluable insights, while taking notes fosters deeper understanding. Ultimately, financial literacy is the cornerstone that turns effort into tangible results, while the absence of it ensures that even the hardest working remain overshadowed by their wealthier counterparts. The journey toward financial empowerment begins with knowledge. While traditional education might equip us to earn a paycheck, it often falls short in teaching the essential skills required to manage, grow, and invest that money wisely. This creates an invisible barrier between those who thrive financially and those who struggle, regardless of their income levels. Financial education serves as a powerful unlock that can open doors to wealth and opportunity, illuminating a path toward financial independence. Understanding that the rich operate by different rules is a crucial realization. They have navigated the complexities of financial literacy, discovering how assets work in their favor, and recognizing that debt isn't just a liability, but a potential tool for leveraging growth. When used wisely, debt can lead to investments that generate passive income and build wealth over time. Moreover, the wealthy understand the intricacies of the tax system, finding legal ways to minimize taxes and keep more of their earnings in their pockets. So, how can you transform your financial trajectory? Start by immersing yourself in the books that the affluent read. Literature that delves into the principles of investing, entrepreneurship, and effective money management. Knowledge fosters confidence, and confidence paves the way for strategic decision-making that can significantly impact your financial future. Whether it's reading classic investment strategies or first-hand accounts of successful business ventures, leveraging this knowledge can change the course of your life. Moreover, engaging in financial seminars, online courses, and workshops can deepen your understanding and keep you updated with current trends. Visualize yourself surrounded by like-minded individuals who are eager to learn and grow. The synergy created in these environments is invaluable, promoting discussion and diverse perspectives that enrich your own financial acumen. As you take notes and absorb knowledge, remember that financial literacy is a transformative power, the kind that turns effort into tangible results. However, without a foundation of financial understanding, even the hardest workers can find their efforts fruitless. They may toil tirelessly but still struggle to make ends meet. Conversely, those who invest time in mastering financial concepts build a sturdy financial future where savings compound, investments flourish, and opportunities multiply. Embrace financial education as the stepping stone to enduring wealth and stability. In today's interconnected world, the adage, "Your network is your net worth," rings truer than ever. Wealth is not merely a reflection of ideas. It manifests through the relationships we cultivate. Imagine standing in a vibrant networking event, surrounded by like-minded individuals who share your vision and ambition. Each handshake could lead to new opportunities, collaborations, and insights that propel you forward on your journey to success. Building a powerful network involves surrounding yourself with those who think big and challenge the status quo. Picture mastermind groups buzzing with innovative ideas, where each member contributes their unique perspective and expertise. In such environments, the exchange of knowledge becomes a dynamic force, propelling everyone toward their goals. Engaging in business meetings and coffee chats creates spaces for open dialogue, fostering relationships that can blossom into mentorships and partnerships. Mentorship holds transformative power. Envision finding a mentor who embodies the success you aspire to achieve. Their guidance can illuminate your path, providing invaluable lessons drawn from their experiences. Opportunities often arise not solely from formal settings, but from casual conversations that spark inspiration. By listening to the narratives of those ahead of you, you can borrow their belief, adopting a mindset that embraces growth and ambition. If your current circle is stagnant, it's time to reevaluate. Picture yourself surrounded by individuals who inspire you and challenge your perspective. As you level up your network, you'll find that your mindset follows suit. Engaging with motivated and successful people can ignite your own aspirations. The richness of your connections translates into a wealth of insights, driving you to aim higher and push your boundaries. Elevating your network can take various forms, from attending workshops and conferences to engaging in online communities that share your interests. Each interaction is a thread in the fabric of your professional life, weaving a rich tapestry of opportunities that can change your trajectory. When you connect with purpose and intention, your journey becomes not just about individual success, but about creating a thriving ecosystem of support and inspiration around you. Embrace the power of networks and mentorship. The possibilities for growth and success are limitless. In today's fast-paced world, rich individuals have mastered an essential lesson. They don't merely sell their hours, they cultivate assets that generate wealth effortlessly. Imagine a landscape dotted with rental properties, each one a silent moneymaker. While many clock in long hours, these savvy individuals invest in assets that work tirelessly, producing income without the need for constant supervision. Consider the world of stock markets, where the right investments can lead to soaring returns. Picture a graph that climbs steadily, symbolizing growth fueled by strategic decisions. Stocks and dividends are powerful opportunities that allow money to multiply, often while the investor is asleep. The focus here is not on time spent, but on the accumulation of wealth through passive income. Digital products and e-commerce have revolutionized the way assets operate. Envision an online store buzzing with activity, orders streaming in at all hours. This is the beauty of automated income. Instead of trading hours for dollars, individuals create digital assets that sell relentlessly. E-books, online courses, and subscription services abound, echoing the message that success can be cultivated in the digital realm. Intellectual property is another crucial asset that the affluent leverage. Imagine the creative minds producing music, art, or inventions, each generating royalties long after the initial effort is completed. These creators have built systems that provide income streams, allowing them to focus on innovation rather than exerting their energy on fleeting gigs. The common thread connecting these assets is the principle of working smarter, not harder. Instead of tirelessly pursuing more hours in the day, the focus should shift to acquiring and cultivating assets that yield returns over time. This strategy is not just about financial gain, it is about breaking free from the grind that often accompanies traditional employment. Ultimately, the path to wealth and freedom lies in building a portfolio of assets that continue to pay out, regardless of how much time is dedicated to them. By adopting this mindset, anyone can find their way out of the everyday rat race. Leveraging assets opens the door to a lifestyle marked by flexibility and opportunity, ideal for those seeking a richer life experience. In a world filled with distractions and misconceptions about money, many find themselves stuck in a cycle of mediocrity. This is a reality that resonates with countless individuals observing the hustle of life from a distance, wishing for something more. As families gather, laughter fills the air, while others glance at their bank accounts with concern, aware that most won't achieve the financial freedom they crave. This is not due to a lack of effort, but rather an adherence to outdated beliefs ingrained over time. However, it is possible to break free from this limiting mindset and embark on a transformative journey towards lasting wealth. Imagine the possibilities when you begin to shift your perspective. Instead of viewing money purely as income earned for labor, think of it as a tool for growth. This mindset shift opens doors to new opportunities. Learning about financial literacy equips you with the knowledge to make informed decisions. Understanding budgets, investments, and the power of compound interest can significantly alter your financial path. With each new piece of knowledge, you are not just gaining information. You are building a foundation for future prosperity that allows you to dream bigger than ever before. Moreover, surrounding yourself with the right network is crucial. The people you connect with can serve as a guiding light or a heavy anchor. Seek out mentors who have walked the path of financial success and friends who inspire you to reach higher. Engage in conversations that challenge your thinking, encouraging personal and professional growth. This supportive network nurtures an environment where wealth building becomes a shared journey rather than an isolated endeavor. Success is often the result of collaboration, shared wisdom, and diverse experiences. Ultimately, it is about focusing on assets rather than just effort. The true essence of wealth lies in cultivating income-generating assets that provide returns over time. By strategically investing, whether in real estate, stocks, or businesses, you can create streams of income that grow independently of your efforts. This powerful shift allows you to not only sidestep the trap of a paycheck-to-paycheck existence, but also to construct a legacy of wealth that can be passed down through generations. The journey to financial independence and freedom is not reserved for the select few. It is open to anyone willing to take that first step. Today, as you ponder the possibilities, ask yourself this: are you ready to break free and start your journey towards enduring wealth?